Hello and welcome to Code Plus. Today we will discuss about various data types and modifiers in C++. So what is a data type? Basically, data types are defined as the data storage format that a variable can store a data to perform a specific operation. Size of variable, constant, and array are determined by data types. Whenever a variable is defined in C++, the compiler allocates some memory for that variable based on the data type with which it is declared. Every data type requires a different amount of memory. So, there are three kinds of data types in C++: primitive, derived, abstract, or user-defined. Primitive data types are built-in or predefined data types and can be used directly by the user to declare variables. Integer, character, floating point, boolean, void, double floating point, wide character are primitive data types. Here is the keywords, sizes and ranges of these data types. For example, keyword used for integer data types is int. It requires 4 bytes of memory space, which ranges from -2 to the power 31 to +2 to the power 31 minus 1. Derived data types are directly derived from the primitive or built-in data types. Function, array, pointer, and reference are derived data types. Abstract data types are defined by the user itself, like defining a class in C++ or a structure. C++ provides the following user-defined data types: class, structure, union, enumeration, and typedef defined data types. We will talk about these three data types and their usage in later videos. Now you're gonna know what data type modifier is. As the name implies, data type modifiers are used with the built-in data types to modify the length of data that a particular data type can hold. These are 4 types of modifiers: signed, unsigned, long, and short. And this is the table of their keywords, sizes, and ranges. It is not mandatory to remember the ranges of each data types or modifiers. You can just note down the tables and you are ready to use data types. So this is all for today's session. For more benefits and get updated, subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share with your friends, and comment down your queries. Keep learning and keep coding. See you in the next video.